One of the things I don't like about shooting is players usually don't know. They go in there and they just shoot, and I made this many or made that many. But 7 out of 10, 70%, or 6 out of 10, 60%, that's a high percentage. And you don't want volume shooters, you want knockdown shooters that shoot it at a high percentage. Okay, we're going to bird shooting. The focus of this is a really high percentage. You cannot move from one spot to the next until you make 7 out of 10, 70%. Now you can adjust this for different age and stage. If you're at a younger group, you might want to move it into 15 feet. Maybe if they're just a 9th grade or something, you might make it 5 out of 10. At our college level, 7 out of 10, I think at any level is really tough, going to 70% before you can move to the next spot. So you're going corner, wing, top, wing, corner. And then you stop the clock, however long it took him to finish 7 out of 10 from every one of those spots. Here's the catch. If you make 6 out of 10 from the spot, you get to stay at that spot. You don't get to move on. If you make 5 out of 10 from a spot, you have to go back a spot. So there's always pressure. You can't just miss 1 or 2 and say, let me just start over. You've got to go to a place where you can make at least 6 out of 10 to stay at that spot. 3, 2, 1. 0-1. 0-2. 1-3. 2-4. 3-5. 4-6. 5-7. 6-8. 7-9. He's ready to hit a 7 out of 10, so he moves on to spot number 2. 1-1. 2-2. 3-3. 4-4. 5-5. 5-6. 5-7. 5-8. A lot of pressure on these last 2 shots right here, KJ. Oh, back. You gotta make it to shoot 1 more. 6, so he gets to stay. He gets to stay. Here we go. If he would have hit 5, he'd have to go back, but he gets to stay there. So it's 1-1, 2-2, 3-3, 4-4, 5-5, 5-6, 6-7, 7-8. He moves on. 1-1, 1-2, 2-3, 3-4, 4-5, 5-6, 6-7, 7. Good. 7. Ready to move on. 1-1, 2-2, 3-3, 4-4, 5-5, 6-6, 7-7. Good shooting, KJ. 1-1, 2-2, 3-3, 3-4, 4-5, 5-6, 5-7, 6-8, 6-9. Pressure on this shot. Bam. All right, KJ, great shooting. 3:22 is a phenomenal time. Anything under 3 minutes is world class. You basically went 7 out of 10 from every spot without even ever missing. And I think there was just 1 spot you had to do over. So 3:22 is a really, really good time. So you're constantly trying to bring your time down over the course of your career. So KJ's 3:22 is a phenomenal time to go in his first try right there. We're gonna average those up. So let's say next round he goes 250, the round after that he goes 420. We just average all those times up. He has a record, his fastest time ever, and he also has an average, his average time to complete bird shooting. So it's a really good drill to put a high percentage, making sure players are making a high percentage.